Hi guys, this is my second video. If you need to know what this video is about and what Shopify is, you need to head over to my first video, and on that video I've explained what Shopify is and how you can make money through different accounts on Shopify. You can work as a developer, you can keep a store, and among other things. But at the moment, on this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify, how to use the account on Shopify. So first, we're going to head to Shopify. I'm going to go here, shopify.com. And as you can see, this is what we are in. As far as this is concerned, you can actually go ahead and check things out. You can actually click over here, watch Shopify story. Once you do that, you will go to this page, model video, and it'll open a video.
This is a story about us.
Shopify.
So this is a video about Shopify. You can go ahead and check that out. It's only 9 minutes. It won't take long, and you can check this out. But if you want, you can just skip that part, and here we are. So as you know, this is the global commerce platform where you can build a business using Shopify. And what it does is it helps you sell things online and anywhere. If you're offline, that doesn't mean you need to be online 24/7. You can still sell those products. So if you scroll down, you can see, discover why millions of entrepreneurs choose Shopify to build a business. And if I do this, oh, this is so cool. I really enjoy this. I could just keep playing with this all day. Anyways, as you can see, there are some famous shops like Fashion Nova. It's been really famous. You got Fable Street, you got Culture Kings over here, Crate and Barrel, All Birds, Anchor, LSE, Untuckit. As you can see, millions of merchants worldwide are using Shopify. It is represented 170 countries. That's nearly 90%. And it is 10% of total US e-commerce, which is huge. And it's a $440 billion industry. That's in US dollars. Secondly, you can even explore things. You can click on enterprise and the modern composable stack for enterprise retail. There's a plus as well, a commerce solution for growing digital brands. You can even partner, offer your expertise to Shopify merchants all around the world. This is in relation to SEO and stuff. You can become a developer, build future of commerce with Shopify's powerful API. If you're a developer, you got to click over here. And of course, the complete system for selling in person, which is the retail store. You can go ahead and check this out. I'll just give you a short overview. So you can see modern composable stack. You can contact sales from here. So craft the online shopping experiences you want using this. They show this video. Different styles of videos are available, like different shops. That's what I'm going to say. And you can choose which one you want. You can go down. It even tells you they have flexible, headless SDKs, edge deployment cart, low code storefront, and you can even integrate your existing services. There are tons of services you can put into this. So we can connect to them, use the tech stack, and use them to their advantage using Shopify. We've got other things as well. You can go ahead and read this if you want to, but we're not going to go 24/7 on this. I'm just going to go ahead and give you a little more. As you can see, you can sell more, move fast. This is telling you that you can sell from anywhere. You can start design and selling from day one as well. You can become Shopify partner. You can be agency partners, you can be app partners, you can be consulting partners or technology partners. However you feel you can help Shopify in any way. As far as developers is concerned, so you can build, you can complete certain tools, certain APIs, and help, which you think can help with Shopify, and even you can build some themes that you believe can be helpful for the store owners on Shopify as well. Anyways, moving forward, we also have this point of sale. You can try and create a point of sale over here. Anyone who's, for instance, you go buy a donut and then they have this point of sale, they use that, the receipt comes out similar to that. This is the point of sale as well. Anyways, I'm gonna go back. what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by clicking start free trial. Once you do that, it's going to ask you a question: which of these describes you best? So if you're starting new, you can just go ahead and click over here. Or if you're already someone who's selling online or in person, you can click here. So however you feel, you can just go ahead and click. I'm gonna go click next. Where would you like to sell? So would you want an online store, customize a complete website for yourself? Or do you want to sell at retail store and give pop-ups or other physical location in person? That's even possible. You can even give a button to your website on an existing blog. You can click over here. Reach out to customers through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and there are other social media available as well globally. Or you can even go ahead and click on online marketplace such as eBay and stuff. I'm just gonna click here because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna click online store just for the sake of it. So we've got 2 clicks. Then it asks you, what do you plan to sell? So they've got digital arts as well. You've got coaching, housekeeping, consulting services. You've got print on demand. You've got dropshipping products and products I buy or make myself. So I'm gonna go and click this, and I'll decide later 2 options. As far as these are concerned, I can give you another video of dropshipping products, but right now we'll just stick to Shopify. So we're gonna click next. So, it's gonna ask you where your business is located. We'll use your location to set up your default shipping rates, recommended apps, and more. It gives you a country or region. If you're from the United States, you can select that. I'm gonna just go ahead and click and see how many countries we've got. I'm gonna just click next, go ahead. And it asks you if you wanna create a Shopify account or a Shopify ID. So you can continue with email, you can continue with Apple, you can continue with Facebook, and you can continue with Google. So I have already made an account, so I'm gonna go ahead, bring it right here for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you this test account. I'm gonna go to Shopify from here, just for your, there we go. So we are already on free trial. So let me log in. So here it is, my store. With the same options, I've created this store for you. So there we have it. So on the left pane, as you can see, you've got a home, you've got orders. For instance, someone has placed an order, it'll appear here. You've got your products here as well, customers, you've got your content. It even gives you your analytics, marketing, and even certain discounts. So when you make an account, this is somewhere it'll bring you to it. So it's sort of a step-by-step setup guide, and you can use this. See, add your first product, you can select a plan. Once you start, your trial just started. So your trial ends like in 5 days. You select a plan to extend your Shopify trial for just $1 per month for your first 3 months, which is great. So it's gonna be $3 only, which is nothing. So we can click this. You can go ahead, first name the store. So let's just say we'll name a store. So let's just say I'm gonna call it Test Store 1. All right, so we're gonna give a phone number, whatever we want. We can put a billing address. We can change these information as well. We can put it into your own currency. You can even put it in any currency. I'm gonna go ahead and see where USD is. Yep, there you go. Some apps can only support certain currencies, so you can click that. It will give you which app supports which currency, and it will give you the charges and stuff, but we're just gonna keep to it. It gives you a time zone, and you can even create a suffix. Your order ID appears as this. You can just go like, if it's like SD, you can go SDO. So see, it'll change the product like this, and it'll be like 0000. So there you go, it'll appear like this. So we're gonna save it just for you. All right, so it says that your primary market has been updated to United States to match this. Anyways, this is the plan. Your trial start has 4 days remaining. This is the billing cycle. and since they received no payment, you can go ahead and update your payment method, and you can click over here, add the payment. It'll show you your subscriptions over here, bills or credits, anything you have, statement of charges. You can view the summary, but for now we're not going to do that. That's on you if you want to do it. So it'll give you the billing as well. You can, once you have the billing method and stuff, it'll give it to you over here. So users and permission. So you can add staff members. So with the plans, your staff members change. So at the moment, we just have only 2 staff members. We can add those 2, which is great. You can add 2 staff members. They'll have their own login. They'll be able to see the store. Anyways, payments over here. So payment providers, you click over here, it will take you to payment providers. There are tons and tons of those, ePay and stuff like that. So whichever suits you best, you can choose that. You can see they even show you which ones they have. So we're going to click on the bogus gateway. This is for testing to simulate an approved transaction. So there's no transaction fee or anything. We're just gonna go over here. So when you go to checkout, customer contact method could be through email, could be through phone number and or email. They've got an SMS app, so you can even add that customer should log in to their account before they check out. Customer information the correct provide, will ask for that. Company name, don't include, address line, optional, and stuff like that. What you want the customer to do. Show tipping to checkouts, customer can tip as well and everything. And order status, pixels are now available to recommend scripts for conversion tracking. So you can do that as well. You can go to pixels. It can add pixels and track the order. So anyways, there it is. If somebody has created an account, this is where you'll have the account in case you want to know. So for instance, customer accounts are hidden, conversion NA, but it'll have it over here. So shipping and delivery, if there's a local delivery, if there's a local pickup, delivery customization, all that sort of thing, add package, you can upgrade your plan and add a third party, and they can calculate their rates as well. So that depends. Taxes and duties, this is basically dependent on a country. For instance, country and region is over here. I'm gonna see where, since I live in a country, so here you go. You can actually select that. Country tax is 16%. So that's great. You can add that to it. Locations, this is my shop location over here. It's on default. You can add locations, if somebody is trying to sell from another location, the same market, you can do that as well. So gift cards, manage default expiring Apple Wallet passes for gift cards. Are there gift cards? If you want to add a gift card, there it is. You can add them over here. So see, you've got so many things on Shopify, and it's available over here. Primary market, because we changed it to USD, so our primary market has changed to United States. They're going to give you a primary market and its details over here, and international as well. So it says Pakistan has been moved to international to continue selling. Since I'm from here, they've actually sent it over here as well. Moving on, if you've installed any apps on your Shopify account, they will appear under apps and sales channels. If you've got any domains, for instance, see, this is the primary for our online store. You can actually change to the new myshopify.com domain. You can actually do that as well. So you've got customer events. That's when I said you have to add this custom pixel, or the app that will help you track customer and the details. So brand, you can add a logo for your brand, social media channels, the colors that you want, the cover image behind, any slogans and stuff, descriptions, and social media links as well. Moving on to the notifications. So if there are any order confirmation, change of order, invoice, order cancel, payment receipt, refunds, anything, they will appear right here. Any data that you want to put, it comes under custom data. So you can actually fill these fields and they'll show you, definitions and stuff. There are languages as well. In case you speak your customer's language, you can add over here. I would just say if you know English, go for that. If there's somebody you see who wants to buy a prod, you can go ahead and install the translator and it will give you a translated version of that. Lastly, policies. So what are policies? You can write your policies and you can return shipping, for instance. Returns are accepted in these amount of days. There's no restocking fee, stuff like that. You can add these return rules and return and refund policies as well on this. So that's related to your store. You can change the settings how you want it. So we've checked things out over here. So you can add a product. Once you click over here, you can give it a title. For instance, what would I like to sell? I'm gonna write this down. Fancy pants. You can say, give it a text. Click over here. These are the fancy pants that you can see on twitter.com, and this has been worn by this person. You can put media over here. You can give your pricing, charge tax, and the cost per item appears here. The shop location, and when the shipping is done. So for instance, if it's 1 kg, you can add how much you can pay 1 kg. If it exceeds certain kgs, it will be according to that. The charges will increase. And of course, this is how it will appear on the search engine. I would recommend you change your link over here so you can give it a good SEO, because we don't know what this website is and people will feel this is a scam, just for that. So you can make a product, you can create collections, you can create an inventory, there's also purchase orders in case there are transfers, and it will show here between locations, from A to B. And then lastly, gift cards. Add gift card product, issue gift card, stuff like that. It's cool. It's really cool. So everything related to customers appears here, like I said before. So this is how Shopify is created. I'm gonna try and create a test store, and when we create that store, add products, and once I do that, I will upload a video. But for now, I think this is it, and I'll see you next time.